Hello guys and welcome to another video. Let's do the unboxing of FLEXSON floor stand for SONOS ONE speakers. The price is about $150 per pair or 150 euros per pair. Recently I bought a pair of original SONOS stands for SONOS ONE speakers, and you can see the link of the video in this description. As I already have the original SONOS stand for my 86-inch TV, these I bought for my 65-inch TV and wanted to have a little variety in my house. So therefore I bought these stands. So it includes a pair, 2 floor stands. So includes power extension cable, gives you extra reach to main plug socket. In the end of the video, I am going to show you my other stands from SONOS, so you can compare which looks better. But these are a little bit cheaper than the original SONOS stands. But SONOS also sells FLEXSON. So you can see the dimensions. So let's do the unboxing. These are the legs. And you can place the cable here the whole way to hide. So these are the two legs, and this is the instruction how you are going to install. So it's almost the same procedure as the other original SONOS stand. So these are, I think, the top plates. FLEXSON. Oh, a lot of screws. These are a lot of screws. And the one which I opened previously, the original SONOS stand, they had not too much of screws. So I don't know how difficult it is going to be to install this one. So let's see. Power cables. A pair. Base plate, and it's heavy, it's metal. And the last one, the base plate. FLEXSON accessories for SONOS wall mount. It's advertisement. So they sell a lot of different accessories. So let's install these. So these are the all screws I have sorted, and the first step is to place this leg on the base plate and insert two screws from the downward. So this one goes on this side and two screws here. So now the base plate is ready, and the next step is to put this part on the top side, this one, like that. So like that, and then you have to insert the long screws. Like that. Next step is, if you are going to place the stands on the carpet, so then you are going to use these screws. But if you are going to place the stands on a flat surface like on the wooden floor, then use these screws, if I understand right. So let's see. So now it's almost done, and as I told earlier, I am going to place on the flat surface, so I have not used these screws for which are for the carpet. I have used the simple one. 4. And the next step is to insert the cable. So now you can see the SONOS ONE speakers are installed on the stands, FLEXSON Stands. So they are not looking bad. So in my next video, I am going to compare these FLEXSON stands with the SONOS original stands for SONOS ONE speakers. So this is the back side of the stands. And you can see the cable is going the whole way down. And it comes out from here. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.